You are super excited to play pickleball, and then lo and behold, only 3 people show up. What do? Today, I'm going to give you our favorite spin on 2-on-1. Stay tuned. Hey everybody, it's CJ Johnson. It happens to everybody. All of a sudden, you only have 3 left for a game. What do? Well, chances are you play some 2-on-1. We came up with a few modified rules that help us to get a great workout. It gives us a chance to work on different parts of our game, and it's a lot of fun. So today, I'm going to share that with you. For this game, the center line on the single side becomes the sideline. That change favors the single heavily. Because of that, we change up a couple of the rules to even up the game. The single is going to stay on one side. They're going to be the ones who start the game with the serve, and the single is only going to get one serve. Bill is playing as a single, and he starts the game by serving to my partner. He's going to keep on serving as long as he wins the points. Remember, the single is only going to get one serve versus 2. Now I hit that shot out, so my partner and I switch sides. The single player is going to stay in the exact same spot. It'll be the doubles team who switch from the left side to the right side. My lob catches the baseline and it's our turn to serve. You'll notice that I start serving from the left-hand side versus the right-hand side. That's because the single always stays on the same side of the court. One of the things I love about this game is that when the single establish themselves at the line, it becomes very difficult to move them away because the doubles team is only playing to half the court. We're going to continue to serve as long as we keep winning points. This game puts a premium on accuracy from the doubles team because you're only playing to half the court. Once we lose the point, my partner and I will change sides, and now it's his turn to serve. We finally lose on my partner's serve, and now the single is once again serving. Remember, the single only gets one serve. This game is so much fun. It tests your accuracy, it tests your ability to lob, to cover the net, to move as a team. So many great things that you can practice while doing this game. Plus, you get a great workout. We usually only play to about 5 or 6 points, and then we switch sides and each take a turn playing as a single. I'd love to know what kind of games you've invented when you only have 3 players. If you wouldn't mind sharing it down in the comments below, that'd be great. And speaking of sharing, if you would share this video with your pickleball playing friends, that'll make it easier for everybody who plays pickleball to find this YouTube channel. Because together, we can train smart, live bold, and age well.